Hello folks, okay, so today we have a document that we have a password protected document, and we need to go in and change the password. So the first thing we need to do is open it up using the current password. Very good, now we're in. Now what I'm going to do is enter some information on this document before we proceed. There's changing or removing the password information that I'm going to Control-C, copy, and paste into the document. And there are the instructions on how to do the change of the password. Okay, so now we will open up the File menu, drop down to where it says Properties, Change Password button. Now we're going to enter a new password. And then we're going to re-enter to confirm it. Okay on that, and okay on this one here too. Okay, so we have changed the password, and we're going to need to close and save. Now when we reopen it, we need to put in the new password. Okay, so we're in, and it has a new password. That's how you do it, folks. I appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe. Hit the like button. Thanks a lot.